out of my area. Oh my god, finally! Finally! Oh!
Uh-oh, what happened? Come on, Bo. It's okay. Come on down past the kitty. Come on, Bo. Come on. You can get past that kitty. Come on, boy. Come on, Bo.
That was cool.
I decided to get rid of my lovely cat. He loves to play. I think he's teething. Ow! Oh! Stop it! He's very loving and kind. I say nice things about you. Go away.
Kitty.
There we go.
Look, this is not right. This is not right.
I've never seen him do that. Are you scared of him?
I'm scared to move when he attacks. Ah! See? He bit. Oh. Is that normal?
Yeah. Uh-huh. That's what Oprah said.
Oh, see, he's biting. He really is biting. He's biting my scalp right now. I am serious. I'm serious. His teeth are in my scalp.
Come on, Fenway, show him how it's done. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, Bo. Come on, Bo. Come on.
Five potato, six potato, seven potato more.
Хочешь меня? А? Хочешь?
Claw into my chair to get up there.
Just knock that shit right off. I know you want to. Look it. It's right there. Look it. Just. No, the other way. Yeah, there you go. Fucking dickhead.
Oh no, I'm not sure if it's worth it for the video's sake.